फिल्मों के माध्यम से कई देशों के बीच में आपसी सामंजस्य को बढ़ावा देते हुए नोएडा स्थित मारवा स्टूडियो में अवार्ड सेरेमनी ऑफ 12वां इंटरनेशनल डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म फेस्टिवल नोएडा 2024 का भव्य आयोजन किया गया। द्वीप प्रज्वलन और गणेश वंदना के साथ कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत की गई। कार्यक्रम में डॉक्टर संदीप मारवाह, प्रेसिडेंट ICMEIN इंटरनेशनल डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म फेस्टिवल, एबल डे स्पेन, चार्ज डी एफेयर्स, एम्बेसी ऑफ क्यूबा, अडिस अबेबा, एम्बेसी ऑफ इथियोपिया, चाइनाई एंजन, चाइनीज एम्बेसी लीडर, कमांडर KL गंजू, ऑनर कौंसल जनरल ऑफ द कोमोरोस, डॉक्टर अली अचॉय, एम्बेसडर ऑफ अल्जीरिया, सतीश पांडे, प्रसिद्ध फिल्म मेकर, सिद्धार्थ एस नायर, प्रसिद्ध फिल्म मेकर ने अपनी गरिमा में उपस्थिति दर्ज कराई। कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित अतिथिगण को बुके देकर स्वागत किया। डॉक्टर संदीप मारवाह, प्रेसिडेंट ICMEI इंटरनेशनल डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म फेस्टिवल ने सभी लोगों का शुक्रिया किया और कहा, डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्में बहुत जरूरी है। किसी भी देश के बारे में जानना है तो उस देश पर बनी फिल्मों को देखना चाहिए। हर देश की अपनी खूबसूरती होती है, अपनी भाषा, खान पान, रहन सहन सब अलग होता है। साथ ही वहां मौजूदा अतिथिगण ने भी स्टूडेंट्स को प्रोत्साहित किया और डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म बनाते समय किन किन बातों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए उस पर जोर दिया। कार्यक्रम में अलग अलग कैटेगरी में स्टूडेंट्स को अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया, जिसमें 15 मिनट में बेस्ट डॉक्यूमेंट्री, बेस्ट स्क्रिप्ट, 30 मिनट में बेस्ट डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म, बेस्ट एडिटर, बेस्ट सिनेमेटोग्राफर आदि से स्टूडेंट्स को सर्टिफिकेट दिया गया। कार्यक्रम में डॉक्टर संदीप मारवाह द्वारा मौजूदा अतिथिगण को मोमेंटो देकर सम्मानित किया गया।
I'm very happy, I'm very excited. Today we have just finished with the 12th International Documentary Film Festival Awards. The International Documentary Film Festival with this 12th edition actually has gone very big. We had people from almost 15 countries right now, different ambassadors, high commissioners and diplomats who have come all the way to collect their awards for the filmmakers of their own country. This time it was quite interesting because we had almost 27 international films and we had altogether 165 national films. We had a separate category for students documentary. We divided the whole award function into three major segments. One, documentaries up to 15 minutes, documentaries up to 30 minutes and over and above 30 minutes. In three categories we had different segments: the best film, the best music, the best direction, best cinematography, best script and all that. And I'm very happy that people have come all the way from different parts of the country, different parts of the world to collect their awards today. It has given me ample energy to plan our next festival in a much bigger way.
सर, कंटेंट की क्वालिटी पे बहुत आजकल बात हो रही है, तो कैसा आपको लगा कि कैसा कंटेंट आया?
Some of the best films we have received, every film is like a diamond. Every film is talking about something unique, something different, out of the box. And I think if somebody has got time to see all the 165 films, trust me, it is as good a complete course in filmmaking. I'm very happy that after this break, we're going to have a very powerful film, Why I Killed Gandhi. This is going to be screened today, which is one of the most powerful film I have ever seen.
सर, आगे जो फिल्में आती हैं उन क्रिएटर्स के लिए आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे कि वो अच्छी और बना सकें?
Now see, today we have finished with the 12th edition and tomorrow we will start preparing for the 13th edition, and we are through this platform. I would love to invite people, documentary filmmakers from all over the world to please submit your documentaries to this festival. We have some wonderful cash awards also which have been included today in the documentaries, and the best part is that very soon we're going to start our own OTT channel. All these films will be a part of the OTT channel. These films will be available on OTT for rest of the world. Thank you very much.
It's a great honor to be at the 12th International Documentary Film Festival at Noida here, conducted by the Marva Film Studios, and it's a great recognition of the documentary culture that is nurturing in India. And as a winner of 5 awards at this documentary festival, I think it's been a very humbling experience, because I run a film production enterprise from Bangalore, which is way down South India, and it's a recognition of the work that we have been putting together, and it's a great honor for me to be here and to receive these awards. And this is a great fillip to our efforts at promoting the culture of documentary filmmaking. And thank you for giving us these awards, and it's a great honor. Thank you.
आज बड़ा मैं अपने आप को बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है। इतने बहुत बड़े स्टूडियो में, मारवा जी के स्टूडियो में पहले 30 साल पहले मैंने काफ़ी शुरुआत की थी, जब मेरे करीब 80s के लिए आज आके आता रहता हूँ, बहुत अच्छा लगा। और इस बारी मैं इस जूरी में मेंबर था, तो बहुत अच्छी फिल्में देखने को मिली, और कुछ फिल्में तो स्टूडेंट्स द्वारा जो बनाई गई है वो ऐसे किसी प्रोफेशनल से कम नहीं लग रहे थे। मतलब ये दिखाता है कि मारवा फिल्म स्कूल कितना अच्छा काम कर रहा है, जो अब लोगों को, अब न्यू जनरेशन को अब ब्रिंगिंग लेके यहाँ तक लेके आ रहा है। देयर वर्क इज वेरी गुड, एंड इट कैन बी एज कैमरा वर्क देख लो, एडिटिंग देख लो, या एक्टिंग देख लो, कुछ लोगों की बहुत अच्छी है। तो ये बड़ी खुशी हुई मुझे यहाँ आके, और मैं संदीप मारवा जी को बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ कि वो एक इतना अच्छा काम करते हैं। आई मीन सो गुड, आई नो हिम फॉर लास्ट 30 years, बट इतना अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं इस डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म फेस्टिवल को, क्योंकि डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म फेस्टिवल को बहुत कम वो मिलते हैं, मौके मिलते हैं जहाँ पे डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्में दिखाई जाती है और वो हो जाती है। एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म मेकर की जिंदगी बहुत ही मुश्किल भरी होती है, लेकिन अब जो सपोर्ट मिल रही है संदीप मारवा जैसे लोगों से और लोगों से, आई थिंक वी विल अचीव अ गुड टारगेट वन डे। थैंक यू।
Hello, I'm Shakuntala Bhandarkar, wife of late Lieutenant Colonel Ajit Bhandarkar Shaurya Chakra, and I have come here as a part of the Maya Films, who has got an award for Saga of a Brave Heart, and I wish to tell that the documentary category, the documentary award, the International Film Festival for documentary is a great platform for all people who make documentary, and this documentary is the Saga of a Brave Heart is about the armed forces. हमारी सेना का जो भी कैसे वो एक शहीद अपना आम जिंदगी जीता है और अपने देश के लिए कुर्बानी देता है, अपनी कंट्री के लिए, उसके बारे में था। एंड ये जो मूवी है, हम हर स्कूल में जाके उनको दिखा के दूसरे बच्चों को प्रोत्साहन देते हैं। और आई विश टू थैंक द फोरम फॉर गिविंग अस दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी। जय हिंद।
Hello, my name is Wieger from the Netherlands Embassy. I'm very honored to be here at this special event to honor filmmakers, outstanding filmmakers here in India and from other countries as well in the field of documentary making. Documentaries are a very important tool in informing society, but also in changing society. As a documentary filmmaker, you are a kind of change maker, and it's a very powerful instrument of change making. So India is a country with a lot of talent and many opportunities, and I think that the filmmakers who have worked here in India, who've worked with Indian filmmakers, the Indian filmmakers, they have a great future, and we hope to hear from them all over the world. So thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
This is Jena Zhang from South Korea. I'm the founder president of IKBCC, standing for Indo-Korea Business Culture Center. I am very honored to come to 12th International Documentary Film Festival hosted by ICMEI and Mawa Studio, Noida Film City. And the speeches given by the ambassadors and all the diplomats and the documentary film producers were very touching. Especially, I was impressed by what Sandeep Marwa ji said. The confidence is the most important, and the confidence is coming from the knowledge, and knowledge is coming from the education. That's why this Marwa Studio and the AIFT University is for educating all the young people in India to become the next great film directors and the movie stars. So congratulations again for 12th International Documentary Film Festival. Thank you very much.
Yeah, the event is wonderful. It's my third time to be here in Marwa Studio. Every time is very important events, and we are happy to participate every time with this famous and fruitful awards. I have to congratulate all of the awards. I have to tell one word that if the language is the we can contact with language. I think image is very important to create contact between civilization, between people, between countries. I encourage you to enhance the level of your production, to contribute for the cooperation between our countries, especially enhance the cooperation between India and Algeria in the movie field and documentary field. Thank you very much.
See, the documentary films are very important to the society, and the kind of initiatives which Marwa Studio has done into highlighting these documentary movies, because we all watch the commercial movies, whereas in order to change the society, the documentary movies plays a very, very vital role. And these documentary movies are not for the commercial reason, but for the upliftment of the society and putting forth the reality what is happening around. So documentary movies, as being said, that is nothing but the documents which you are actually making into the movie. So you have some artifacts, and based on those facts and figures, you are actually making the movie. So I appreciate all the students, all the participants and all the awardees onto this particular event. Thank you very much to all of you. Thank you.